The way I organize this is you got the folder of all of the different sync projects, and these are the different groups. So you guys are section 3. I'm going to use 3A's folder as an example. So this is the way I organize pretty much all my projects. That I've got the footage folder, and I have a folder for Premiere, Audition, and exports. So I just created this and duplicated it for everyone for kind of organizational structure. Part of the reason I do that is like what happened to Victoria with files not moving to Audition. That way I can make sure the files are in their own folder and I don't get confused with my organization or the computer's organization. So in footage, you've got camera and sound. The way these cameras organize things, it's a pretty like long drill down to get to it. So camera C344. I use offshoot to transfer stuff. So there's always a transfer log that says basically, here's how long it took and that it verified it. You don't really do anything with that, but I just leave it there because I use a checksum transfer tool to copy stuff. So C344 in this case, it'll be some random number is the card. Then these are under private, Panasonic group, and then this random folder name. And then there's all the actual clips. And I'll leave that open to the side and open up Premiere and start a new project. And this will be sound. When you name files, sound class sync project 03, always make sure you are making it logical. I saw this a lot with people's uploads for class projects. They didn't include their name. You know how many files I have called midterm final, right? Or midterm sound. Like, make sure you put your name in it. I always date things at the end, but like if this was me turning in a project, I would put at the very beginning, you know, last and first name, so that somebody could find it easily. But follow naming conventions and be careful to not leave on the end of files like the previous extensions. I saw a lot of that too, that it was the whatever the original file was .pprog, then .mp4. That can screw up files. So just watch your file saving. Choose location, and I will put this in. This is section 3, so we're section 3A. Premiere, and keep passing that. Does anybody else need that drive if you don't have your footage? Victoria needs. Oh, so then get it to Victoria when you're done. All right. So I'll save this, create.